Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys have had a fabulous week. Today, free printable is this page here. It's been designed portrait, but if I put it like this, you might not see it because it don't fit on the camera, so it's quite big. So this page here has been designed from my newest kit. Again, I'm going to put it this way so you can see. It's a mini kit, so it's only 4 pages, and it's a collage of vintage ephemera with some flowers, music sheets, notes, and some writing and letters. So it works like this. Brand new kit is on my website. If you guys wish to purchase this, it's on link down below. It's only £1.50. It's literally less than the price of a croissant. So yeah, not even a coffee, because the coffee in UK now reached the £3 or nearly the £4 marks. So yeah, £1.50, super cheap guys. 4 pages, mini kit, get it. So the freebie is this one. I have designed, I've used some postcards, some letters, and stamped some pictures, and I put some lovely bats. Bats, I always think they are underrated animals because they're so clever and also so cute. So cute. They're like, kind of like, I always think they are like squirrel with wings. If people say they're disgusting, they're ugly, I don't think they are. I think they're super cute. High five if you like bats. Leave a comment down below. Bats fun. So guys, as usual, 2 ways to get this on my newsletter, and I will put the newsletter here on the screen what it looks like. It's basically an email I send Friday, sometime on a Wednesday, which you can find the recap of the videos of the week, some paper showcase, my new release. There is always a cheeky discount code. It's a bit of chit chat really. And on each newsletter, there is always an attachment that you can simply download on a PDF. And this is your PDF. And also you find this on my Facebook group also. I'll show you on the second where you can find about 300 freebies from a previous freebies that you might have missed. I think it's like 2 years worth of freebies in there. So I suggest you guys join the Facebook group and you will see videos and freebie I will share there on a weekly basis. Let me share on the screen where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, Antonio Makes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on files, you see here, this is the recent one, which is the 5th of July, but you will see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay, have fun and happy crafting. Just want to take 2 seconds to say thank you to the lovely Margie. I will put Margie's comment here. And I know I showcase every Friday, but she's so sweet. And Margie said how much she loves the newsletter email. And to be fair, I enjoy send and write emails to you guys too. So both ways. Guys, all the links, everything I mentioned is linked down below in the info box. Don't forget to download this. And if you wish to share what you make with this, share on the group so everybody can, on my Facebook group, so everybody can see and take inspiration from one another. It's a very interactive platform. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thumbs up if you like this video. I know it don't cost anything to you guys, but it means the world to me because you telling YouTube how much you love my content. So much appreciated. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day and weekend. And until Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.